Further, honorable members, it is notable that with respect to the members nominated to this House, the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition political party elected to nominate members under the names of its constituent parties. This can be seen from the Gazette Notice number 10-537 of 2022 dated 7 September 2022 and Gazette Notice number 10-710 of 2022 dated 9 September 2022. The Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party seems to have elected to enter this House in both elective and nominative positions through its individual constituent parties. It is a clear demonstration of the coalition party's respect for freedom of association under Article 36 of the Constitution, which exercise of political rights under Article 38 of the Constitution and the freedom of speech and debate in the House under Article 117 of the Constitution. Honorable members, Article 108 of the Constitution also allows a coalition to elect and designate their choice of the leader of the majority party. The claim by the Kenya Kwanza coalition is based under this limb. Similarly, the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition political party has staked its claim to the leadership of the majority party in exercise of its second skin as a coalition.